recording here.
So basically what we're trying to do is create a lemon battery. But first we'll introduce ourselves. My name is Cheyenne. This is Ian and Jason. So yeah, what we're trying to do is create a lemon battery. Batteries can be created by suspending two different metals in an acid. In this case we have a zinc galvanized nail and a copper penny. If we insert the galvanized nail into one side of the lemon and make a slit and insert a copper penny into the other, we can create a battery. Two metals create a measurable voltage. And in a battery, as you know, like a Duracell battery or whatever you use at home, there's a plus side and a minus side.
In this demonstration, the copper penny is the plus side and the zinc nail is the negative side.
And in scientific terms, the negative side is known as the anode and the plus side is known as the cathode. And I'm sure you've probably experienced this, but like when you put a battery into a calculator, if you put it in the wrong way, it doesn't work, right?
Yeah.
But that's because you're switching the plus side and the minus side. It's the same thing here. If you switch the plus and the minus, it won't work. And actually, the science behind that is that electrons flow from the anode to the cathode, and so when you switch it, they're flowing the wrong way. So two lemons give a voltage of 1.8, but if you switch the cathode and the anode, it actually gives you a voltage of negative 1.8.
What we're going to be lighting is a called a red LED light, which requires 1.7 volts to function. So the 1.8 from the lemons should be enough to show the red light emitting from it.
And an LED is a light-emitting diode. A diode just means that if you switch the cathode and the anode, it won't work. So, I mean, I know I've said that a bunch of times, but it's kind of important to this experiment. What we're connecting the lemons with are called alligator clips. These are these red and green and yellow things.
Yeah, we're connecting multiple lemons in series, which with each lemon you increase the voltage in the circuit. We should start connecting them.
And the voltage occurs because of a flow of electrons from anode to cathode.
And we have tiny slits in these for the copper penny and the zinc nail.
And once you get this to work, there'll be a flow of electrons going around through the circuit. And since we're using more than one lemon, it's called in series. And with the lemon in series...
David Shellman, please report to the middle school office. David Shellman, thank you.
With the lemon in series connected to the LED, what we're going to see is a little red light that you can detect. If we turn the lights down, you'll be able to see it.
So as we connect series, we alternate between the zinc nail and the copper. So, for example, here the alligator clip's connected to the copper penny in this lemon, and the same clip's connected to the zinc nail in the other lemon. And connecting to the LED is going to be a penny from one lemon and a nail from another. Once everything's connected, the light should emit red.
Yeah, again, just like batteries alternating in a calculator or something.
And I think we're all good to go. It's supposed to be shown red. We'll cut this in later.
Okay.
Oh.
So say, whoa.
Yeah, see, it's kind of long anyway.